Hi, Garrett. Today's your first day in your little walker. Garrett. Hi. What? He's trying to bounce in it. It's October 19th, 2008.
Garrett.
He can't bounce in it, walk in it. He only goes backwards. Garrett! Hey! Hey! Oh, see, now we see stuff that we've never seen before. Huh. You can't bounce in it.